How to blur and unblur home screen background wallpaper in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on wallpaper, and here you can see the option customize home screen wallpaper. Now click on customize, and here you can blur or unblur your. If you want to blur your home screen background, then simply click on this blur icon, and if you want to unblur your home screen background, then simply turn off this blur icon. So this is the way to blur or unblur home screen background. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.